Chapter 6. Welcome to Sleep Reset. Eat, sip, breathe, and snooze. The little known ways your body preps you for dreamy sleep is your digestive system is one of the biggest influences on your sleep quality. Did you know this? When you eat too close towards your bedtime, your body has to work on the digestion instead of the repair. Your stomach is digesting when it should be actually relaxing, restoring. And the timing, you can just check this, is 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. So finish your meal at least 3 hours before sleep. That is why I say eat before the sunset. Not for your weight, not for your discipline, but for your nervous system calm. When digestion stops, the parasympathetic system activates. And this is where the system of restoration, healing, emotional stabilization, and deep sleep happens. And hydration also plays a role. It matters a lot. Dehydration increases the heart rate, while sleeping, increased heart rate leads to shallow sleep. So we need to hydrate throughout the day, not right before the bed. And breath is the gateway between the body and the mind. Slow breath, safe nervous system. Safe nervous system is deep sleep. So simple, so easy. That is why left nostril breathing before the sleep works. It activates the calming site of the nervous instantly. Your parasympathetic nervous system. When you inhale, the belly goes out. When you exhale, the belly comes out inside. And you need to work in making yourself calmer.